I found a place of my own. It feels like a way back home, where I try to get away from the things that I know. And I want to share that, so the people I love can come and see how nothing really matters for too long. If you stay now, I won't let you go now, and we can live the days of our lives. So if you stay now, I won't let you go now, 'cause we can change the world if you stay with me tonight.
Sometimes it gets so hard to be who you really are, and all this overthinking might not get you far.
And it's getting late, I know. Maybe we should go, but let's just stay tonight and we can try to make it worth. 'Cause if you stay now, I won't let you go